Hello, my name's Angela Daymond and I'm a textile artist and quilter, and I use a lot of natural dye products when I colour my fabrics. I have my own studio in Spalding and in Lincolnshire, and I teach up and down the country as well. Today I'm going to be dyeing with cotton fabric. Cotton fabric is what I use primarily because I'm a quilter. Silk fabric also works with natural dye products, but you find the colour in a silk fabric is a lot darker. And then this here will go into a pan of water. So I've put the product in here, and I'm going to just tip some ordinary cold water onto it. So now is the moment of truth. We're going to open it up and see what we've got. I think this is always the most exciting because you never know. So this colour has come from tree bark.